Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a glueless wig from none other than Luvmehair. Y'all know I love their glueless wig. They have some of the best glueless wig I've seen. So inside the box, I got some goodies, including this stocking cap right here, and I also got this little pouch that has some more stuff inside of it. Inside the pouch, they sent me this pair of earrings. They sent me this elastic band that I use to tie my edges down sometimes, and also this edge brush. So this is the wig. They usually come ready to go on your head, so it's pre-bleach, and most time they're pre-plucked. I believe this is pre-plucked. I am gonna be doing a little bit more than just cutting the lace off and put it on my head, because I kind of feel like it, even though I didn't really need to do all that I did to it, but that's kind of how I felt. It has a few clips in it, and also an elastic band that's gonna help to hold it onto your head. And the elastic band is adjustable, just so you know. Here I'm holding the lace up against my skin on the back of my hand, just to show you guys how well the lace blends in. You're not really seeing too much of the lace, so this is kind of the result you'll get when you put it on your head. You really don't have to do too much to it. And the hair is nice and curly, but also I'm gonna be fixing my curls how I want it, because I like to make it my own. I like to fix it just to suit me. So what I like to do before I start to customize my wig to my liking, I like to put it on and see what needs to be done, and then I'll take it from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck a little bit of the hair from the front. It was plucked already, but I just wanted to take some more out. So I wanted to have like a natural looking hairline, kind of going back a tad little bit in the front. So I'm laying that down with my edge wax stick. Another thing I like to do is rub the edge wax stick on my hand and then rub it together and rub it all over the hair. I feel like it controls the flyaway hair very well. So now I'm gonna go over the front where I was trying to lay down with the edge wax stick, and I'm gonna use my hot comb to flatten it even some more, because I want to give it the illusion as if it was glued down, because it's a glueless wig, but we don't want it to look like we just throw a wig on and that's it. So yeah, we want it to look nice and natural. Now I'm also gonna use some mousse there. I'm only using it on the front because the mousse helps to hold the hair in place, and that's what I want. Now I'm going to put my hair back into a ponytail and use an elastic band to hold down the front of the hair so it could stay in place just the way I want it. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair, which I really didn't need to do because you could see all that curl that's in the hair. But I want my curls to be a certain way. I want them to fall a certain way. So this is the reason why I'm going back over it and curl it some more. I then spray some Tresemme hairspray on my hair to hold my curls because I want to keep them there until I'm done with doing my makeup. I'm also not going to cut the lace off my wig until I'm done doing my makeup too, because I want to keep that elastic band there and not remove it until, you know, where I added the mousse is completely dry. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. So I'm just going to remove the elastic band so I could do that. I then comb my curls out with a white tooth comb, and that's all I did to the wig to complete this look. And here it is, guys, my completely 100% glueless wig that looks so natural and fits so nicely on my hair. And look at those curls, guys. It's so juicy, so bouncy, so flowy. I absolutely love it. So this hair did not shred, not even a tad little bit, and no tangling whatsoever. And of course I had to lift it up and show you guys that it's 100% glueless, no adhesive, no gel, nothing holding it on except for the elastic band that I showed you guys earlier that's in the back of it. They do have a lot of glueless wigs on their website, so if this one I'm wearing is not for you, I'm pretty sure when you go on there you'll find something that you like. And here's a discount code so you could save some money when you go up there to buy any hair that they have. All the hair details will be linked in the description box, so please check that out. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!